Enjoy stunning ocean and marina views, savor the delicious ocean breezes, and relish being just minutes away from the beach, restaurants, bars, and shops from within this luxury building whose amenities rival five-star resorts. This residence that's available boasts a well-appointed kitchen where stainless appliances nestle among granite counters, as well as a wonderful open living area that's blanketed in comfortable carpet. Floor-to-ceiling windows showcase palm tree views and open the living room to the extra-large balcony, creating an excellent entertaining space. Spacious yet cozy feeling, this bedroom is bathed in an abundance of natural light due to its big windows that frame blue sky vistas, while the second bedroom is complemented by an immense walk-in closet. In addition to enjoying the unit's homey feel, you'll also appreciate the in-unit laundry and fabulous designer bath that's furnished with a dual sink vanity, a shower over tub, and quality granite finishes. Spend mornings out on the balcony sipping a cup of coffee before the start of your hectic day, and wrap up the evening with a refreshing beverage out here as the sun sets. Residents enjoy resort-style living complete with 24-hour guest valet, doorman, and security, a Pilates and yoga studio, a heated pool, and cabanas that rest next to the sauna and outdoor gym, a bubbling spa, a barbecue area, a rooftop deck, and more. You can also bike directly from your backyard all the way to Malibu. Come experience it today.